This generous donation is yet another example of strategic partnership and mutual trust between our two nations. Under the umbrella of CPEC, such initiatives pave the way for sustainable development and stronger partnership. On behalf of the government and the people of Pakistan, Pakistan admires China's economic development and appreciates its contribution to the global economic system and stability. Pakistan supports China's positive role in multilateral trading system. As a practitioner of free trade,